This is NDTV. And you're watching NDTV Prime.
Hello and welcome, you're watching Heads Up. The world of music is vast and multifaceted, especially in our country where there are myriad genres, instruments and so on. But while music is such an intrinsic part of our culture, music education in India isn't given its due importance. Especially while talking about pursuing a career in music, one only focuses on singing or playing an instrument, while ignoring other aspects like composing, production and so on.
देखिए, इसमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो ऑप्शंस कम लगते हैं हमें, मान लीजिए अब अगर मैं वोकल म्यूज़िक की बात करने के लिए जाता हूँ कि जैसे एक वोकल का बच्चा डिग्री ले रहा है, अगर वोकल के अंदर ही मैं निकल के जा रहा हूँ तो मान लीजिए कि वोकल वाला बच्चा शास्त्रीय संगीत की तरफ निकल जाएगा, टीचिंग की तरफ निकल जाएगा, प्रोफेसर की तरफ निकल जाएगा, मीडिया की तरफ निकल जाएगा, कहीं कुछ लिखने की तरफ निकल जाएगा, रिकॉर्डिंग की तरफ। मैं वोकल की बात कर रहा हूँ सिर्फ।
बहुत से ऑप्शंस हैं और यही मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि इसमें लगन बहुत चाहिए और कहीं इस तरह की गुंजाइश नहीं है कि थोड़ी बहुत कर लिया फिर छोड़ दिया फिर थोड़ा बहुत कर लिया। यहाँ इस तरह की म्यूज़िक में तो बिल्कुल ही गुंजाइश नहीं है। अगर कोई थ्योरी में बहुत अच्छा है तो वो लिख सकता है, क्रिटिक बन सकता है, म्यूज़िक क्रिटिक बन सकता है, किताबें लिख सकता है।
तो ऑप्शंस एक चीज़ के अंदर अगर आप देखें तो छोटी छोटी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, कम नहीं है, बहुत सारी चीज़ बट ढूंढ नहीं पा रहे।
Perhaps the perception that career opportunities available for music students are few needs to change. As a matter of fact, there are many more career options than just singing or playing an instrument. Music School Central, which is an online resource for music courses and programs, enlists 70 plus lucrative career opportunities. That said, let's now take a look at the story of a unique music school run by members of Thermal and a Quarter, an indie rock band based out of Bangalore.
Thermal and a Quarter, consisting of Bruce Lee Money, Rajiv Rajgopal and Leslie Charles, is a Bangalore-based indie rock band that was formed in 1996. Around for nearly 2 decades, these veterans decided to pass on all they knew to future generations, and in 2011 began their own music school, Takademi.
The band that we play for, and the band that's been around for almost 20 years now, is called Thermal and a Quarter. And Thermal and a Quarter becomes TAAQ, abbreviation, which is TAC. So 4 years ago when we decided to put this thing together, and we were hunting for a name that would sort of bring in what the band had done so far, as well as to talk about the fact that this is a school, an academy. So, well, TAC, an academy, Takademi, also Takademi, you know, all those things came up. The name actually was coined by a friend of ours called Bijoy, who was working with us at that point. And yeah, that's where Takademi comes from.
Yeah, sounds good. According to the founders, Takademi is not just a music school, but a space run by musicians for musicians, with the aim of providing quality music education to its students and professional careers to musicians looking for one.
It started off as a space, you know, so we had a jam room that we rented out. And then since that space was available, we thought we'd put all our students together and form the academy. And that's how it started. I mean, it was something that we had to do to support ourselves as full-time musicians. And then we thought we'd bring the whole thing together.
And their effort has paid off. Takademi currently has over 450 students and around 25 teachers. While the idea of a rock and roll band starting a music academy may have you believe that they only teach modern Western music, that isn't the case. Takademi offers courses in a wide range of instruments, music production, as well as Hindustani and Carnatic vocals.
We teach guitars, bass, drums, keyboards, vocals, music production, Hindustani vocal, Carnatic vocal. Very soon we're trying to offer more Indian instruments as well. In that sense, we're completely agnostic to style and language and genre and everything else. All these things are taught here.
Music and singing has always been an intrinsic part of Indian culture. But there are only very few schools that offer music education as part of their curriculum.
शुरुआत जो होती है जब स्कूलिंग में म्यूज़िक होता है, उसके बाद जो जिस तरह से दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के लिए आपको कैरियर बनाने के लिए कोर्सेज हैं, उस तरह से म्यूज़िक को नहीं लिया जाता. अब 12th में 10th में 12th में नहीं होता. कई बार कई जगह सिर्फ 8th 7th 8th तक स्कूलिंग में होता है, उसके बाद म्यूज़िक है ही नहीं.
One of Takademi's main objectives is to bring in a systematic structure to music education.
The benefits of learning music, not necessarily to take it up as a career, but just the benefits of learning an instrument. It's can be parallel to learning another language or a sport. There are so many things, spaces in your mind and your head and the way you think that change and help you with all aspects of life, not just career or academics. All other aspects of life, interpersonal skills, group dynamics, social skills, टीम वर्क एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट.
शुरू से अगर आप म्यूज़िक में आप देखें कि अगर मान लीजिए कोई बच्चा शुरू से फर्स्ट क्लास से अगर म्यूज़िक में जाता है, तो म्यूज़िक क्या होता है कि आपके अंदर को डिज़ाइन करता है. आपका जो अंदर का आकाश है उसे उसकी डिज़ाइनिंग करता है. वो मेन एक चीज़ होती है कि जैसे मान लीजिए कि आपने स्पोर्ट्स की बात मुझसे की. स्पोर्ट्स बाहर को करता है. कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो बाहर बनाती हैं, कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो अंदर बनाती हैं.
One of the biggest challenges in the field of music in India today is for a performing artist to legitimize music as a career. This is exactly what Bruce and Rajiv strive to achieve through Takademi and hope that someday music too will be perceived as an organized career.
I pay just as much tax as the next man, but my profession is somehow not legitimate. It's not recognized as something that's valid, that can provide for my family and so on, even though that's exactly what I'm doing. So the idea of Takademi is also is to provide amazing structured music education for people of all ages, but also to bring some sort of legitimacy and validity to the fact that you can be a professional musician in this stage in India right now and support a family and be a responsible human being.
With the number of enrollers increasing steadily, Takademi's greatest advice to its students and those passionate about music is to practice. Nothing will help you hone your skills better.
Listen to a lot of music. Start forming opinions. It's good to be opinionated when you're making music. So start listening to a lot of music. Do it for the love of it. Don't feel you have to want to do it. So if you want to do it and you want to get better at it, just like any other field in life, you spend a lot of time doing it. You get better and better. All I would say is just 10 minutes a day, every day, as opposed to 1 hour a week. You know what I mean? If you do that, that's the ideal way to go. So spend 10 minutes or even 5 minutes a day actively engaging in something musically. You will get better every day.
तो अंडर ग्रेजुएट है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट है, उसके बाद मास्टर ऑफ फिलोसफी है, उसके बाद डॉक्टरेट इन फिलोसफी है, जो डॉक्टरेट की उपाधि विद्या वाचस्पति जिसे हम कहते हैं. तो इस तरह से है. और इसमें भी वोकल म्यूज़िक है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट में सितार है, गिटार है, वीणा है, कर्नाटक म्यूज़िक है, उसके साथ तबले का मैंने अभी आपको बताया वो है, हारमोनियम है, पखावज है. तो इस तरह के कोर्सेज जो है हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में चल रहे हैं.
It's time to slip into a short break. On the other side, we hear from students at the Bangalore Conservatory about following their passion and pursuing a career in music. Stay tuned.